Okay, I want to talk to you about the Pixel Fold because something kind of strange happened yesterday. I went to open up my Pixel Fold and these strange white lines, almost like cracks or bubbling under the display, started to happen. I have no idea how this happened. I didn't even drop the phone. I wasn't even using it. I simply had it somewhere, and when I went to grab it and open it up, this appeared. You can see one white line straight down the middle of the screen there. I have no idea what that is, and then you can see like some bubbling as well, especially because this kind of came out of nowhere. I just opened up the Pixel Fold and all of a sudden the display is messed up. And this just kind of gives you an idea of how it is owning a foldable phone. You're gonna have things that just pop up like this all of a sudden because this display technology is still a new technology. These companies haven't figured out all of the problems or issues that are gonna come with these displays. So I contacted Google to get this repaired. They said my phone is still under warranty and that they would cover this repair. It's under warranty until October 2024, which is just a little over a year since I bought this phone. That's kind of one of the issues that I have though, because what if all of a sudden my inner display just started bubbling up like this and it was after October? This phone wouldn't be covered and I would have to replace the display of the Pixel Fold, which I'm sure would cost a lot of money and I would have to pay out of pocket. So I would definitely recommend, if you are planning on buying a foldable, you should get insurance on that phone because you just don't know what's going to happen. One day your foldable can be perfectly fine. That was what happened with me. Don't drop it, have a case on it at all times, and then all of a sudden you open it and there's just this weird bubbling happening with the foldable. Now I don't know if out of warranty Google would still be able to cover something like this because there was no damage to this phone. It's just simply a bad display. I did my re-review of the Pixel Fold and I talked about how I was really impressed with the durability and I thought it was much more durable than something like the Z Fold 4, which I've already experienced with the display, some dead pixels and the screen protector starting to peel. I didn't have that with the Pixel Fold until now. Now I am going to be sending in this phone for it to be looked at by Google and they can repair that inner display. And fortunately, I have other phones that I can use while this is getting repaired. But imagine if this is your only phone and you had to send this in for repair and it's going to be out there for at least 7 to 10 days. That's what Google told me. You're going to have to use another phone or find another phone for at least a week or two maybe. That's something you definitely want to consider with these foldables. They can be delicate. You can have issues with that inner display. One of the repair facilities that Google told me to go to get this repaired, they told me I can easily make an appointment, go in there and get this repaired the same day. But when I called to make an appointment, they said they didn't have the parts for the inner display of the Pixel Fold. So now I'm forced to send this in. It's gonna take longer and I'm gonna be out of a phone. Just something to consider with foldables. I love having that larger display. There's a lot of pros with folding phones, especially the Pixel Fold. I love the outer screen, the inner display. Having that bigger display to do more with your phone is something I really appreciate, but there's some cons that come with this new technology. Let me know what your experience with foldables has been. If you have a Z Fold, a Pixel Fold, a OnePlus Open maybe, are you experiencing any display issues, any durability issues with your phone? Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.